Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at Bank of America ATMs. First, locate a Bank of America ATM that displays the contactless symbol, usually found near the card reader. Next, open the Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch. From there, simply select the specific debit or credit card you wish to use for your transaction at the ATM. Once your card is selected, hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the contactless reader on the ATM. You will then need to authenticate your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your device's passcode. After successful authentication, the ATM screen will prompt you to enter your 4-digit personal identification number, or PIN, to proceed with your transaction. After entering your PIN, the ATM will present you with various transaction options. Choose your desired transaction type, such as a cash withdrawal, a deposit, or a balance inquiry. Then, carefully enter the specific amount for your transaction. Always take a moment to confirm all the details displayed on the ATM screen before finalizing your selection and proceeding. Upon confirmation, the ATM will process your request. Be sure to collect your cash, any inserted card, or your transaction receipt as prompted by the machine. Your Apple device should also display a confirmation message indicating a successful transaction. Always remain aware of your surroundings and protect your PIN when entering it for enhanced security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.